Hi, and welcome to this video on how to manage the Contact Us page. So the Contact Us page is always visible to anyone, a member of the public or a member. So it's considered a publicly viewable page. You can see here, there it is there, the Contact Us page. So when I click on it, you can see that it has some text up here and then some contact details and then a mailing address. Okay, so now I'll switch to a signed in account. You can see I'm signed in as Pepper Woods and I have management rights. Now when I click on the general information page, contact us, you'll see now that there's an edit this page option. This edit this page button allows you to edit information that's above that button. So if I click on here, it'll go into an editor. So when I go to view the page and I click on view page here, you'll see it actually puts it in a complete page. But if we go back to the Contact Us area, you'll see now that it's got that extra information. So then the information below there is set in two different locations. So the first is the membership is set under membership. So you need to have full membership rights. So you go to management, membership, and you can see that Ziggy Woods is a public contact and Pip Woods is a public contact. So you can see that that's why their two names appear, because they are set as a public contact. Now this is done under the member tasks for that particular one, and you can see there's an option here, public contact set or remove, and it's a toggle. So if they're set now, it will remove them, and vice versa. So if I go back to the contact page and revert, you can see now that Pippa's gone. Okay, so the email address on that contact page is the alternate email address. Now, this is a highly recommended option to do for public facing email addresses and for people that have roles, have an address that can be passed on to the next person. So if someone else takes up the president role, they can take over that account. So it's best to use one of the public free email systems like Outlook, Gmail, etc. Okay, so, and that is set under the member tasks, alternate email. And there you can go in, enter the email address, save it, and it will appear here. Okay, so now if I want to reset Ziggy Woods as a public contact, I can click there and I'll be at it. And the other information that's shown is the role, and that's set under position title. So you can click on there and you go in and type that in. Okay, so going back to the page here, if we set refresh, we can see now we've got Ziggy as the competition manager and Pip Woods as the president as the contacts. Now the other information on the page is a mailing address, and that is set under management, site settings. Okay, and you see there's an option here that says mailing address, and this is where you go in and you can adjust the address to suit and save it. So I just changed road to RD, and if I go back to contact us again, you'll see now that it says RD. Okay, so this allows you to have these predefined values set in membership and in the mailing address. This information can be used right throughout the website. That's why it's not advisable to edit and insert that information above this line, because by doing it in the membership area, you do it once, and then any feature that's added that uses the contact information or mailing address, it'll be automatically updated. Okay, thank you for your time. and I'll just add new members. Always welcome, regardless of skill level. And I'll save that.